Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And this video today is all about my favorite nail polish. And of course, since now we're in this pandemic situation, you have to do your own nails, or if you have somebody to come over, you're lucky. But I don't, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this is all about my favorite nail polish and supplies. I took off my acrylics at the beginning of this pandemic, and I said, well, there's no way in hell I'm going to a nail salon. Sorry, no. So some of my favorite brands, I have to start with OPI. I love this brand. I love this brand. I love this brand. This is what I have on today. It's a beautiful color. I'm going to try and read it. I don't know if I can. In familiar territory. Okay, kind of cute, but I love the more kind of the mauves, the neutrals, the pinks, and kind of things that are not so bold unless it's a different time of the season. So OPI is my favorite. Now when it comes to immediately after I took off my acrylics, I really had just such fragile nails. They were breaking, they wouldn't grow. They're still taking a long time to really come out. So I went with my trusted a couple of products. One, Sally Hansen. I love Sally Hansen. She's been around my whole life. And I love this hardener, the nail hardener, and also Sally Hansen's dries instantly. And then to fortify my nails, what I bought, I like the Orly. And this one here is Nail Armor. I kid you not, I have everything they make just about to try and get my nails back together. It has been a journey, and I'm still on it. But I love these nail polishes. Also, I have a tendency to love Revlon. I've been using Revlon forever. And they have really nice colors, beautiful colors. They have the base tones. I have so many colors by Revlon. This is just a small sampling of what I have from that company. But I kid you not, I love the brand. I feel that they make great quality products. It lasts. It doesn't really chip. I usually try and wear gloves when I'm doing the dishes. But even if in this, it's very strong and resistant to chipping. What else is over here? And occasionally, yeah, most of these are Revlon. Occasionally, I'll buy a brand that's just kind of at CVS, Walmart, or whatever. And this one, oh, this is Sally Hansen. Okay, it's one of her gels. In addition to that, I do stock up, and this is Q-Tex. I stock up on their fortifying polishes, anything that's going to help your nails to sustain itself. I love this brand here. It's just a kind of an off brand, but it's called Cuticle Oil. And I kid you not, you could get it in any beauty supply, and I love to layer this on because I have dry hands, and it really helps. Oftentimes when I get like a chipped or broken nail, what I'll do is I'll use this KISS. Let me try and find it. Hello, come here, baby. This KISS brand brush on nail glue. It'll help you immediately. And sometimes I'll just go overboard and just buy things just because I see it on the TV or something like that. But one of the things that I invest in are these little rhinestones. And so I buy them in bulk. I have them everywhere. So that when I used to go to nail salons, I would take my own pack with me and say, okay, you know, don't charge me for this because here I'm bringing my own product. Now at home, every now and then I'll put something on and try it out. I love these little toe dividers when you're doing things at home. And I bought a host of little things to make little designs on my nails and feet. I don't really use so much the UV products, but I do have a UV machine that I dry my regular on. It does seem to help. I have a plethora of clippers and things like that. What I like to do, I cut these up, my little foil packs, and so when I want to quickly remove, let some glue or something I have, I'll use this with a cotton ball and let it soak for a minute. That's what I had to do when I initially took my acrylics off. It was not pretty, let me tell you. It was painful. My nails were so weak. It was unbelievable. Okay, and I have a whole kit that I'm able to file things down on a regular basis. I love that. It's in another room right now. What else? So a couple of other things. I have all of my little tools. Let me show you. I have these cute little, it's little glitter containers, and they have different colors, and I like to usually do something funky on my ring fingers. And, you know, something different. I have all kinds of stuff in here. It's just ridiculous. But I keep a little kit. And then this here, this is like a little starter by Kiss. It's a nail art. So you could kind of just peel it off, put it on, and quite nice. And I got this other thing too, and they're called nail screens. And so you can decorate your nails. I actually got this from Sally's in Florida. They were kind of, one of the stores was closing up or going out of business or something. And they're like, everything's, you know, 100% off just about. So I stocked up, of course. What else do I have in this little tray of things here? I have everything. I really do like investing in quick dry because I don't have a lot of time to have this messed up. And, you know, when I do paint my nails, I want them to look nice. So I am a diehard. I usually just bypass any of the nail polish removers and I go straight for the acetone. This is not my #1 brand. It's way over there, so I'm not going to get it, but I love to use 100% acetone to remove everything. And then occasionally I will use the nail dryer. If I don't have time to sit under my UV light, this is it, honey, and it works great. So what else? I do a couple of other things. I got this. It's an intense hand cream by Kiko Milano. It's wonderful. I mix it with my extra virgin olive oil. You simply just put it on your hands. It's like after you've done your manicure and or pedicure. It's wonderful. I do a couple of drops of my olive oil and it's great, especially when you're washing dishes and having it clean and having to have all this hand sanitizer on your hands, honey. It is not pretty. And I have done everything humanly possible to keep my hands soft and supple. It's been a journey. It really has. And living in the Midwest now where it's usually bad ass weather. So, you know, I try to make sure that I keep a lot of olive oil on hands. And I'm telling you, I do this daily to try and keep my skin moist and supple. Okay, I think that's it for now. But I love nail art. So you'll see me trying a couple of new things now that I have to do everything at home. And I'm okay with it because honestly, I really didn't have time to go to the nail place all the time. I was usually squeezing it into my schedule to go get some nails done or something. And I'm like, can you hurry up? I got to go back to work. So now doing it at home, I take my time. I do it on Sunday, Saturday, whatever, on my lunch break. And my nails stay nice. Okay, so let me know what your tricks and tips are for doing your own mani-pedis at home during this pandemic era. And I just have a feeling for me personally, I'm not really going back to the nail salon. I love them dearly, but at the end of the day, it's just too close proximity and I don't really want to be breathing all that in. No, I'm okay. So I got all my stuff here. Okay, and a couple other things I do recommend is to give your hands a deep moisturizing treatment. Whether you put on a hand mask, which I did not too long ago on my channel, or you just make your own. You put on a pair of gloves, you just stick them in some hot water with your oils on it. It's great. Even if you don't have a paraffin machine, which I do, I need to start using it. I've had that for decades also. So you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the JB and subscribe. We have some exciting videos coming up. Click the bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Stay safe. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.